Hi guys, today we're going to talk about data. We're going to talk about collecting, sorting, organizing data, and representing them in pictograph and bar graph. Okay, let's see. Where should we go swimming? Great question. Let's look at what we have here. Here we have a title, swimming place. We have the beach or the pool. We have tally marks, and we have our total. Let's see how many people voted for the beach. Here's one vote, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let's do the tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 total votes for the beach. Now let's count the pool. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 votes for the pool. So that would be one tally mark for each vote. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 total votes for the pool. Alright, let's look at our survey here. What kind of flavor do you like? Let's look at our title. It says favorite flavor. And here we have our flavor. We have chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla. Tally marks and our total votes. So let's look at the chocolate. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 votes for chocolate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now let's look at the strawberry. Strawberry, we have 1. You can do it one by one if you like. Another one, that would make 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 votes for the strawberry. And then vanilla, we have 1, 2, 3. 3 votes for vanilla. 1, 2, and 3. 3 votes for vanilla. And that's how we collect data and make a tally chart.